are three statements axy, bxy and cxy with variables x and y chosen from the universe. Consider the statement. Now which one of the following is equivalent to this statement? Let's we try to simplify this statement. There exists x for every y, bracket a of x comma y and b x comma y, again whole bracket, and not c x comma y. Since we know that p is equivalent to not p, because two not before a p cancels out each other, so again we can apply two not before this because it is equivalent to the above statement, that statement given in question. Now when we transfer one not from this position to this position, this there exist will be converted to for all, and this for all will be converted to there exist. We will write one not as it is and one not here. Again a x y, b x y and not c x y. Using De Morgan's theorem, we will apply this, we will break this formula. Not a x y and b x y or not c x y. We can say two not before c will cancel each other, so c x y. Not for every x, for every y. While solving, we will also look at the option it is nearer to which option. See, p imply q is equal to not p or q. Using this formula here, we can write a x y and b x y imply c x y. If we look carefully at this point, it is similar to option D. I think not. Option C. Option C is correct because here it is or, and in answer we have got and, here it is and, so option C is correct.